This is the new Feather with a reverse TFT. It's an all-in-one dev board with a built-in display powered by the ESP32 Wi-Fi module. With this Feather, you can choose your flavor of Wi-Fi module. The ESP32 S2 or S3 are espresso chips that are great for making low-power friendly projects. Both types come with native USB, so it's perfect for use with CircuitPython or Arduino. The S2 has a single core and Wi-Fi, while the S3 has dual-core processors with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth LE. This Feather features 3 buttons, 4 MB of flash, Stemma QT, NeoPixel LED, battery monitor, and charging for making portable IoT projects. With so much built in, you can get your projects going without any soldering. The color TFT is an IPS display featuring 240 by 135 pixels, so you get bright colors at any angle. You can 3D print our stand to prop it up on your desk for making Wi-Fi projects with a mini display. The Feather is secured to the stand with hardware and allows access to the user buttons and various ports. This Octoprint project uses Adafruit I/O and MQTT to send and receive commands for controlling your 3D printer running the Octoprint software. To build this project and get more info on the Feather, check out the guides by heading over to learn.adafruit.com. We hope this inspires you to check out the Feather ESP32 with reverse TFT to make your own IoT projects.